two ducks at the pool, where this is no place for ducks, but here they are.
You should swim for them while I record you.
One duck leaves the pool and shakes herself off, the female duck, while the male duck cleans himself. Oh my god, it's they go back in the pool, and now they are swimming. I can just take clips from the video anyway to get pictures, so what's the point of taking a picture?
Yeah.
Oh my god, fuck off, seagull. How's the water? Oh my god, they're adorable, look at this.
You shouldn't take my word.
Scary?
Yes.
Sorry, seagull, I didn't mean it. Seagull is gone. Where? It's too tough. Oh my god, Hadass, quit splashing. Hadass! No, don't do this, Hadass. Hadass! Hadass! Swim over there! Swim over there! You're gonna scare them away. This is Elizabeth, keeping her distance from the ducks. Where are they? There they are. I'm gonna run out of room on my camera. I only have 21 more minutes to film.
Oh man, what are you gonna do with those 21 minutes of film?
Probably cry. They're swimming away. Okay, I'm gonna follow them on their migration. I didn't really take many pictures. I just filmed because I figured, look at the trail they're leaving behind them as they swim. Okay, I apologize about the shakiness, but I am walking to get near to the ducks. Not too near, of course, not to scare them away. This is, by the way, the Carrillo pool.
No, you allowed me.
That yonder is Carrillo, as you may have noticed. Ducks are able to peacefully coexist with the swimmers on this side without getting too scared. Here are the humans. Notice how they interact. Actually, one of them is a monkey. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, so is mine. Luana, you're gonna miss the best part of the swimming. Warmish because the sun's hitting it.
Well, I'm gonna miss the best part of the ducks, too. Don't you dare scare them off.
What?
Alright, do you think I've filmed enough? Do you think I've filmed enough?
Yeah. I'm gonna get the closest I've gotten ever to a duck right now.
And then you're gonna scare them off, you jerk.
Maybe not.
Do you want to take pictures?
Yes.
Don't drop it in the water, okay? I'm gonna give you the camera. Okay, stop getting close. Come here. Oh my god, they're changing direction to get away from you. Okay. And